Hello everyone, this is David Barkasy, and this is our Goliath giant bird-eating tarantula, Gertrude. She's approximately 11 inches diagonal, and she hasn't been catching her palmetto bugs. I think we have too much cover in her terrarium, and they have the advantage. I just put a fuzzy mouse underneath her, and hoping that she'll take it. This is not for fun. Please don't enjoy it if she does take it. It's basically to show you how tarantulas can kill larger prey. You should never take glee in seeing any animal die. Except maybe fire ants and mosquitoes. Those are the two I really don't care for. Especially here in Florida. No. I'm sorry nothing's happening. This is what happens when you work with animals. You can see the fuzzy mouse right under there. I mean, she's pretty much touching it with her fangs. This has to wiggle or something. Anything. I'll give it a few more seconds. Now that I got her all upset, I probably just need to shut off the light and leave her alone. And this is the joy of filming animals.